vacuum so you can sweep up all the dirt and vacuum it up instantly without having to get out a dustpan. It's super easy to empty out and it's rechargeable as well, so I'll usually just pop it on the charger in the laundry room when I'm not using it. It's also cordless and literally makes me want to sweep around the house because it takes such little effort.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
Never bend over or kneel to clean again with this portable electric spin scrubber. There are 3 adjustable brush head angles and an extendable stainless steel handle. This gadget is perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, windows, and even cars. And comes with 4 removable scratch-resistant brush heads to get every surface and corner in your home clean.
It opens with a wave of a hand and closes on its own. To seal it, you just hold a button and it senses and extends when the trash can is overfilling. This technologically advanced trash can is self-sealing.
Testing Shark Tank products, Part 8. These are reusable bamboo paper towels. I didn't know what to expect with these, but I was surprised at how different and durable they felt. We cleaned up a mess to test washing them afterwards in the sink, and even the green matcha stain came fully out. Apparently you can also use them on a Swiffer, so we tried that too, and it honestly worked like a charm. And lastly, they also claim to be machine washable, so we threw one in with a load of laundry and it came out perfectly clean and not ripped at all.
Have you ever wondered what the secret is to all the shiny fingerprint-free screens at every Apple store? Well, it turns out it's no accident. You see, for years now, Apple's quietly equipped every store with a secret cleaning tool, and it's inside this elusive orange bottle because it's the only approved screen cleaner for all Apple stores worldwide. It uses an odorless, non-toxic, and fingerprint-resistant formula that doesn't have harmful ingredients like ammonia or alcohol, and it's insanely great at wiping away dust, oil, smudges, all that gunk off without leaving streaks or smears. Oddly enough, Apple actually doesn't sell it in stores or on their site, but if you want to try it for yourself, I'll have a link to it in my profile.
Install this rock on the faucet. After using the cleaning cloth, you can put it on it to drain the water. It's clean and tidy.
Amazon Home Hack. This lint roller set comes with 3 different sizes, perfect for getting pet hair off furniture, cleaning light fixtures, and a travel-sized one for touch-ups on the go. And each of these lint rollers are infinitely reusable. Simply wash with soap and water to clean for the next use.
That was fast. But here is some more Jolly Goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.